Well, it was an amazing event. I'm very impressed by the seriousness of it, the production, the professionality, and I'm also very flattered to talk here. Well, what I was talking about together with the art director from the company Vitra, we were discussing the process of a project that I did, that was used for a project I designed for Vitra, which was began as a friendly group meeting in Istanbul, and because of this wonderful friendly atmosphere and trust that built up between all of us, we were able to develop a really interesting product. And I've mentioned to Erdem quite a few times that in Italy, one of the main important aspects of Italian design also includes friendship, being comfortable with the people you're working with, eating, discussions, and that was very much a part of this whole process, and it was a really fantastic experience.